this is Vinayak Mathur. Today I'll be teaching you or showing you an example how to create a text reveal using shape layers in After Effects. This is what we are going to make. This line is going to reveal the whole text. Nothing fancy, just a basic tutorial. So let's get started. We'll open up After Effects. As we can see here, there's one background, just a text, and one mask and a shape layer which is moving across. Just four things required to create this animation. So we'll create a new composition, type down tutorial, hit Ctrl Y for new solid, type background. Let's select something like this blue. Let's lock this as we don't want to change the background. Then I'll hit Ctrl T to go to the text tool, or you can come up on the top menu and select the text tool. I'll type visual enhancers, and because I'm an OCD, I'll just center the anchor point and then align it right in the center of the screen. Now, what I'll do is first I'll create a new shape layer by going to layer, new shape layer. Over here, I'll create a solid as big in size as you want. Just make sure in the width it should cover the whole text. Also, then I'll go into layer, new shape layer again. This time I'll be creating just a line, a straight line. So how do you make a straight line? You just click somewhere, then press shift and click, so that will create a straight line. I don't want to fill on this line, I want stroke. So 7, let's say 8 pixels. 8 pixel wide looks fine to me. And now hit V to come back to selection tool, and let's just zoom in by moving the scroll wheel on your mouse. We have to align the shape, or first we'll rename. This is the shape layer, the rectangle. So what I'll do is I'll rename this as mask, and the line I'll rename it as the driving force, just to look cool. So now I'll want the mask to be covering the white line completely. So for that I'll have to first move the mask shape above the driving force, so that we can see that going above the line. Now when we are all set, what I'll do is I'll bring the mask layer again below the driving force. Then I'll animate the driving force on its position from going on top of this to bottom of it to reveal it as I had shown in the sample. So what I'll do is I'll hit P for position, click on the keyframe, go up till 3 seconds. Alright, so by mistake this composition has become for about 14 seconds. Either you can go into composition settings by Control K and type in 0.3 seconds long, or what you can do is you can place the cursor till the end point wherever you want, and then press N. That will limit your work area. Then right click on that and say trim comp to work area. This will also create a 3-second composition for you. Anyway, coming back, so We have created a keyframe at the first frame. Now come to the last frame. I'll drag this line below the text right up till here, and that's it. That is our animation for the driving force. That looks pretty mechanical. So what I'll do is I'll give it some easy easing. So for the first keyframe, press Ctrl Shift F9, and for the last keyframe, press Shift F9. This is to ease out, this is to ease in. Now what I'll want is I'll select both the keyframes, go over here to the graph editor, make sure that over here you are on the edit speed graph, click each square once at one at a time. Then I want it to start slow and finish fast. So a graph like this would work, where it goes slow and then fast. So the logic is it is moving this much distance in this much time, while it is moving this much distance in this much time. So obviously this is shorter. That means the speed of movement is faster. So let's preview it. Press the spacebar and you should see the motion. It starts slow and then finishes fast. You can make it more dramatic like this, and it will go like this, or you could make it something peak at the center and slow at the ends, whichever your choice. I think this look cool, so I'll stop over here for the animation. Now what I'll do is go to the first frame, select my mask layer, parent it to the driving force so that the mask should move with the line as the line comes down. So take this swirly line, click on that and drag it onto the driving force, not on the position but on the driving force. You see that becomes dark gray. Once you do that, you'll see over here it has been done to driving force. Now let's come to the text layer and go under track matte. If you can't see that, probably you are on this mode. You should go to toggle switches mode and that should bring that up, or else just go and click on the first two buttons to make them visible. So anyway, let's click on the track matte for the text, and what we'll have to do is we'll have to tell After Effects to take the alpha channel of the mask and apply it on to the text layer. So on the text layer we'll go alpha matte mask. So what it did was wherever it could find the matte color, it has made that area transparent. So when you move this forward, you can see we are done with the reveal effect. Anything which was colored on the mask layer is being acting as the mask, while the rest of it has been applied as an alpha to the text layer. So let's play back to see what we have done. It will take a time to go to real time rendering. So what you can do is either shift 0 to see your animation, shift 0, and that should show you relatively real time motion. So let's come back to it up to 100%, and that's it for this tutorial. Hope you understood how to do this simple effect. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button and comment in the comment box below what exactly you want more from watch videos so that I can improve. And till then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.